Have you ever wondered how mountains appear? In this fascinating and informative video, we will tell you how the Earth creates its majestic peaks. Imagine that you are standing at the foot of a mountain and looking up. It's so tall that it feels like it's touching the clouds. Did you know that mountains are not just huge piles of rocks? These are the skyscrapers of our planet, built over millions of years by forces inside the Earth. Let's find out the amazing story of how mountains are born. So, what are mountains and how are they formed? Let's start with the surface of the Earth. It is not solid, but consists of huge puzzle-like pieces called tectonic plates. These plates move very slowly, like a snail that has decided to rest. But when they collide, something incredible happens. Mountains are born. There are three main ways mountains are formed. First, when tectonic plates collide, the Earth rises up, forming mountains. This is how the Himalayas appeared, including Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world. Second, some mountains form when magma, a hot liquid rock underground, erupts during a volcanic eruption. As the lava cools, it hardens and eventually forms a mountain. Did you know that the mountains in Hawaii were formed that way? Third, sometimes the Earth's crust bends and cracks under pressure. When it bends, wavy folded mountains appear, and when it cracks, sharp-edged mountains are formed. The Rocky Mountains in North America are still growing. Some mountains get a little higher every year. The Andes in South America are the longest mountain range in the world, stretching for more than 7,000 kilometers. Everest is so high that climbers need oxygen tanks to breathe at the top. Now you know that mountains are not just rocks, but the result of amazing forces that shape our planet. If you could name your mountain, what would it be called? Write your name in the comments.